Welcome back, guys. Today's plan, starting kind of early, but today's plan is to do some drywalling. And with my arm injury has been a little bit slow, but what I'm hoping to do is get at least some of it knocked out today. So let's see how far we can get to. Due to my recent injury, unfortunately I haven't been able to work quite as much because my shoulder has been hurting. But yesterday I kind of worked through quite a bit of the pain, but I did get a lot closer to where I needed to be. And I wanted to show you, but before that I need to still connect the lights because not all of them are connected to the electricity yet. I got all the drywall in, I finished up all the spots. Mainly, I'm going to be cutting this out to be the door, and that's why that one is not done. I got this in. The kitchenette is in, including this side. So, today's task is, well, muddy. There's nothing that can irritate me more in construction than drywalling, especially muddy. But having said that, I did quite a bit of it. I'm gonna have to take a break. I need a break. My arm is hurting really bad. Need to take some meds for it too. And there's still a few seams that I need to do. I covered all the screws. I did some of the seams. Most likely I did not do them well. But in any case, I'm going to let some of this stuff dry anyway. I need to, because there's some other parts that I need to do on top of them. And we'll continue later. Okay, quick update on the basement. So, let me show you. Drywalling. At least the first layer has been done. I need to go sand and fix a bunch of imperfections. But it has me very encouraged. I was very discouraged yesterday when I was doing it. But on that note, today is Friday and is Labor Day or whatever it is. On Monday, so we're going to see family, and because of that I need to pack up some things, and I guess we'll take a trip. It's about 8 hours away. We're heading up north. Yeah. So where are we stopping?
Buc-ee's.
That's right, best place to stop.
Time to get back down to the basement. Had a bit of a break after workout this morning and opening my new box. The main thing that I need to do is start cutting that new butcher block that I got. Because we have the sink that goes there, or we'll have two different sinks, and I want to know which one would be the best one. I'm debating on the smaller one. I'm wanting a little bit more the smaller one because it would give a little bit more counter space in our very limited counter space. And let's see. So yeah, the idea is that the sink is gonna go there and the element is gonna go there, but I need to take this out after I cut the top of that because I don't think this is gonna be working out. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. I've run out of video I think for this week. Sorry for posting this a little bit late. The next part of the project would be starting work on the kitchen specifically. Laying the floor down first and then starting to build the counter for the sink and element. And I got, what do you call it? I got a little refrigerator that will go underneath. And I'm ready to get that started, but thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, turn on your notifications, and be blessed.